After 2 tough weeks in Europe for Harlequins, they hosted the struggling Worcester at the Stoop on Saturday, who were still in the hunt for their first win of the season. It was the home side that got off to a storming start. Great line-out play and physical go forward from the pack, letting Marcus Smith slide in for his first Quins try. The Warriors replied instantly. Great hands from the backs, allowing Dave Denton to dot down. 3 minutes later, it was Aussie playmaker Jono Lance who found acres of space with his boot to put Perry Humphries in at the corner. Worcester kept the pressure on Quins, and after good back play, the forwards charged at the line, eventually creating an opening for Josh Adams to finish well in the corner. But the most important try of the day came with the last play of the first half. Quins working a quick line-out with Roberts crashing in the centre, setting up Luamanu to muscle over from close range, 17-18 at the break. Quins started the second half brightly, with Kerr hassling the Worcester back row, sniping the scrum and scoring a superb individual try to make it 24-18. 10 minutes later, it was Kerr again, quick thinking with a tap penalty, allowing Jamie Roberts to crash over in the corner for the bonus point. Quins kept the tries coming when Brown found Charlie Walker with a quick line-out, and the former 7-star slalomed his way through the Worcester defence to score the try of the day to make the score 38-18. But with the game looking to be over, the Warriors began a fight back. Replacement winger Dean Hammond found himself in plenty of space to score Worcester's first bonus point. Soon after, Hammond scored his second with a superb Superman finish to make the score 41-28. The final try of the game came to Jack Singleton, who smashed over the line to claim Worcester's second bonus point. An amazing game down at the Stoop. Final score, 41-35.